Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a curved ramp in SketchUp. It's quick, simple, and super effective. For this process, we'll need two plugins, Fredo6 and Curviloft. Both of these are available in the extension warehouse, and I've also left direct download links in the description below for your convenience. Start by drawing the curve line for your ramp. Select both curve lines. Now go to the Fredo6 plugin menu and choose the tool called Curvature. Here, you can input the height values for both the top and bottom ends of your ramp. This step essentially gives your curve its vertical rise, so your ramp will smoothly transition from one level to another. Right now, we only have the ramp edges, but no solid surface. To fix that, select the entire line framework of the ramp. Then, open the Curviloft plugin and choose the option Skin Contours. And there you go, a smooth, curved ramp created in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel,